Would you take a look at Palantir stock go? Let's go, baby. We're up over 7.5% right now as the entire stock market's moving. So we have to break down some news we got regarding Palantir, the charts, what I'm looking to do, plus more. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Follow along for more content. And of course, take a sip of your coffee. Cheers, by the way, guys. I appreciate you all for tuning in. And let's dive into it. So Palantir is officially back over $100 per share. We hit $103.75 earlier in the day. Now we're at what? 101, 102, and this is the first time we're back over $100, I think, in almost 2 months. When's the last time we were over $100 a share? I'm pretty sure it was back in, the end of February, and now it's the end of April. Oh, man, this year is going by fast, guys. But yeah, that was 2 months ago. We were over $100 a share. Now we're back over it. And we covered this on the channel. We covered it on these videos. I was like, guys, look, we have a cup and handle. Do you all remember that cup and handle we called out? I was like, look, keep your eyes on this cup and handle and $98 a share, 98, 99, 100. That was a big resistance. And I told you guys, look, if we're able to break out of that point, we're going to fill the gap, at least the first gap, to 105, 106. If that were to break, we could be going to 115.16. Then if that were to break, we could be going up to $125 per share, which obviously we're still far away from that, but we're making steps, the right steps. The bulls are. Again, this cup and handles playing out. We're breaking over 98 to 100. That was a big resistance. Now we're holding it as support. The bulls are starting to gain momentum, and now Palantir is trading pretty much at a 2-month high as of this video. Unbelievable. Up over 7% as QQQ, the NASDAQ 100, is up almost 2.5%. The S&P's up 1.7%, and the Dow Jones is up 1.2%. What a day, overall for the stock market. And we're seeing people get out of gold. Gold's down 3.5%. The VIX is down back under 30 points. And this is after we got, word from Trump yesterday that de-escalation is occurring between the U.S. and China, pretty much. That's what we got. And he said tariffs are going to come down substantially. They're not going to go to zero, but they're going to come down substantially from where they are now, 145% on China, whatever the heck the tariffs are. I'm losing track at this point, but Trump said they're going to come down. So that's sending the stock market up today. And, well, Palantir is moving up for that reason and some other reasons here. But, man, what a green day we're seeing so far. So let me pull up the news that we got regarding Palantir, and make sure you all join my free email stock newsletter. As I do this, I send out my top stocks weekly for free right to your email. That is linked right down below. So you guys see the headline here. It says, Palantir teases Titan AI combat vehicle with Northrop Grumman, Anduril, and L3 Harris. Let me show you guys what's going on here with this. So Palantir has revealed a collaboration with major defense contractors on an AI-powered combat vehicle. Yes, you heard that right. Connected to its tactical intelligence targeting access node program. So the company teased the project through social media, showcasing what appears to be a rugged military vehicle developed alongside, again, of Northrop Grumman, Anduril Industries, L3 Harris Technologies, actually Sierra Nevada Corporation, Worldwide Technology, and Pacific Defense Strategies. The Titan system represents Palantir's expansion as a prime defense contractor, moving beyond software into integrated hardware solutions. Very big step here for the company. And Palantir delivered the system's first mobile battle stations to the Army earlier this year, meeting time and budget requirements according to company executives. And each Titan system consists of a lightweight industrial truck and trailer powered by Palantir's AI that gathers data from multiple sources, including satellites, right? And this collaboration aligns with Palantir's recent work on hive mind technology with Shield AI, enabling autonomous threat detection without human control. Think about that. And the partnership reflects the broader defense industry trend of combining AI software with specialized hardware to create integrated systems for faster battlefield decision making. And Palantir has significantly expanded its defense footprint recently, finalizing a deal with NATO in March for its Maven Smart system, which you guys know we covered that here on the channel on these videos. And they also enhanced military intelligence fusion and targeting capabilities from that. And of course, the stock has done very well. No need to go too deep into the stock. You guys know it's done very well. But that is the news here that I wanted to cover. Again, Palantir teasing a Titan AI combat vehicle, which is very, very exciting. And let's come back here to the stock. Let me show you guys a little bit more about what's going on here on the chart. So what, again, we're noticing is the cup and handle playing out. Now we're back over 100. We need to maintain 100. Earnings are coming up on the 5th of March, or May, which is coming up here in the next 2 weeks. And ideally for the bulls, man, they hold over 100 until earnings. Maybe we chop around between 100 to 105. We get earnings, and then we'll do whatever we do from that point. But I think it's key for the bulls. It'd be ideal for them to hold this momentum, right, between 100 to 105. We'll see if we do that. But overall, man, we are in a very good spot on the charts right now. Again, the indexes are pushing. A bunch of stocks out there are doing well today. It's not just Palantir, obviously. We have other tech giants. Tesla is moving up around 5-6%, even though their earnings were not good. They were abysmal, if you ask me. The stock's still moving, even though earnings were bad. AMD's moving up 5%. Back over $90 a share. Nvidia's back over 100 today, 3.8% in the green, not bad. And mind you, Nvidia's not fully breaking out. AMD's not fully breaking out. A lot of these stocks are not fully breaking out, but we're rallying within the downtrend, if that makes any sense. But Palantir actually looks like it's more so breaking out. I'm not going to lie. This chart looks great. It's not just a rally within a downtrend like an AMD or on NVIDIA. This is a legitimate breakout that's forming on Palantir, which is exciting. And companies like Amazon, their stock's up around 5%. And this one is rallying within a downtrend pretty clearly. You guys see that. Earnings for Amazon are coming up on the 1st of May in about a week. We're going to get their numbers. I'm pretty sure today, or that's tomorrow, we're getting Google's numbers. Google is up around 2% on the day. Microsoft, I believe, is next week. We're getting their numbers on maybe Wednesday next week. Today's Wednesday the 23rd, so we're getting their numbers on Wednesday the 30th. That is Microsoft. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Keep your eyes on Palantir. The charts are looking great. We got some good news, and who knows, man, we could be going up even further heading into earnings in less than 2 weeks at this point. The hype could start to build up. It might already be starting to build up here. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe, follow along for more content, and join the free email stock newsletter. Put your first name and your email address using that link down below, and I send you my top stocks weekly for free. You heard that right. So get in the email, newsletter, join the list. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.